Imagine getting paid $800 in just 5 minutes. This is only possible with a strategy that can be set up in less than 5 minutes, and this unique new strategy has unlimited earning potential. You can make thousands of dollars daily, and the strategy is 100% free. It doesn't cost a dime to get started. In this video, I will show you how to put all of this together so you can have the best opportunity to generate big money online. So pay close attention and don't miss out on the important details. I want to show you how to use this site called CPAlead.com and how you can use this site to make a lot of money without stress. I love this website because you can get paid every single day, and it has been used by many big companies. And the best part about this is that there is no selling involved. With this strategy, I'm going to show you how to get leads fast and simple for free without selling, and you can make a lot of money online. First of all, come over here and click on the sign up button, and once you do that, it's going to ask you to sign up either through your Facebook account or your Google account. And if you take a look at the site, it says $1 minimum daily payment, and I'm going to show you how to make thousands of dollars with this website. And when you come over here, you can see that they have daily and weekly payment options. This is awesome when you combine it with a passive income strategy. You can make a lot of money. For those of you that don't know what CPA means, it simply means cost per acquisition or cost per action. When somebody completes an action like signing up for something or providing their email, you are going to make a lot of money. They don't even need to go and buy that product. So when you come over here, they've got a whole list of that. But you don't need to worry about that. I want to make this nice and easy for you so that you can make a lot of passive income. After you sign up to this site, it's going to direct you to this page. This is your dashboard, and when you scroll down, you can see how many sales you've made. Since this is a brand new account, you're not going to see any sales yet. Over here, you've got your offers, your statistics, you can create landing pages, and many more. Now, I want to draw your attention to this filter over here. When you click this, it's going to show you the different countries. This can be done worldwide. This is where you need to pay close attention. I want to show you the best offers to use to make passive income with this. So when you scroll down, you're going to see different offers, and you can see their payouts as well. Just like I said, cost per acquisition or cost per action means they don't need to purchase anything. These companies will try and get these people to sign up to something so they can make money from all these signups. When you scroll down, you've got all different types of things like Netflix quizzes, dinosaur quizzes, cartoon quizzes, etc. But what we're looking for is stuff like gift cards. So when you come down here, you can see different gift cards. There are also some restaurant gift cards. And then you can see some really good gift cards from different stores as well. Right now, it only shows stuff from the US, but you can change this to all countries if you want to, or you can also choose specific countries. If we scroll down here, you can see this over here where you can make this amount of money every time someone signs up. Take a look at how easy it is to get your link. All you need to do is just click on this, and over here, this is your affiliate link. If you share this and someone clicks on this and they sign up, you'll get paid. This is super easy and it's highly effective. And again, this is your link over here. Just come over here and copy this link so when somebody clicks on this link, this CPA lead will send them an offer. And if they complete that offer, you will still get paid. So how are we going to get this free traffic? What I want you to do from here is to come over to this site over here called tryinteract.com. I've been using this site to make money online, so I want to show you how you can do the same thing. So please pay close attention. So when you're on this page over here, you don't even need to sign up. All you need to do is come over here and click on this site to make your quiz for free. Once you click on that, it's going to direct you to this page. From there, simply click on Create a Quiz, and that will direct you to this page. And I'm going to show you how to do this where it's super simple. So you come over here and click on Start from Scratch. Once you click on that, it's going to take you to this page. Then you can just click on Assessment, which is going to take you over to this page. From this page, we're going to create a very quick quiz. As you can see, you've got all these options over here, and we're going to make this super simple. In the top heading over here, answer this for a chance to win a $100 gift card. And then what you need to do is you need to upload a photo because having a photo makes it look outstanding. The next thing to do is to come over to Google and look for a gift card photo. Then right-click on the image and choose Copy Image, and then you come over to canva.com from where you can create a design with the dimensions of 900 by 400 pixels, because that is the required size in the quiz section. Once you click on Create a New Design, you will come over here, paste the image right here, and just crop the image to make it the right size, and then save this on your computer. After that, you can come over here and upload the photo like this. Just click on the upload, then choose the photo we've created, and then this is going to upload that photo directly here. You can move this around, do some adjustments, then just click onto this to save. The next thing to do is to come over here and type in the description to tell people what they're getting into. For example, you can type in, answer this very simple question, and follow instructions for a chance to win a gift card. So over here is where you can place your call to action. All you need to do is just type in something like, click here to access the quiz. After that, you're going to enter the URL which you can place here. So when you come back to cpalead.com and click the software over here, copy this link, and then we're going to come back here and add that URL inside here and click on this option and then click save. What we need to do next is to enter the questions. So when you come over here, this is where you're going to type in the questions. All you've done for questions is something very simple like this one over here, and then just put your answers in these boxes over here. You can write something like this, or you can just create your answers. It's up to you. Then over here you can set the correct answer. All you need to do is click on this one and then choose which one is the correct answer. When they click on the correct answer, they'll get a green light like that, and then you can just save that. From there, what you need to know is click on this button above which says Publish. After that, we will come over to this page that says Live link to your quiz. Now all you need to do is copy this link over here, and that is the link that we are going to be sharing later on. So when people click on it and they have completed this quiz, you are going to get paid $1.16 again and again in passive income. And if you want to preview your quiz, all you need to do is come back over to this page here and click where it says Preview Quiz, and it will show us the same quiz which we created earlier. Once they start to take the quiz, they will click on the correct answer or any answer, and then it says, "Congratulations, you have qualified." And when they come over here and click this button which says, "Click here to enter," that's going to take them straight over to that offer, and then once they sign up, you're going to get paid $1.16. So where are you going to promote this quiz so that you can start making passive income? The best and the highly recommended place is Facebook, particularly the Facebook groups. And basically what you can do is you can come over here and you can search for sweepstakes. For example, you can come over here and see that you've got these groups like this one or like this one over here, and I'm going to show you an example of what you can write and what this is going to look like. All you need to do is to come over here and join all of these Facebook groups. Can you imagine how many people will be signing up for this, especially if you're using an offer that is worldwide? These are groups designed for this stuff, so you're not going to be banned. You're not going to be blocked. All I need to do is go to my Facebook profile and type in something like, "How would you like to make $100 for free?" If you click on the link below and follow the instructions, now because this is the photo that we used, you can see that this is going to pop up on those Facebook groups. And when somebody clicks on this and signs up, you'll make good money. Do you want to learn how you can earn $500 per day by opening emails? Click here!